Welcome back, Wight Potter fans. This is Masasa's Rudder with one coat of primer on it, and I'm liking it. I'm absolutely liking it. You can see that it's coming out pretty well. I'm going to add another coat of primer in about 40 minutes or so, an hour or so. The label indicates you can put another top coat on in an hour. I'm going to try to put another primer coat and then sand a little. You can see I had one faux pas there on, that is the leading edge, but again, I'm trying to get this boat into the water, so that'll have to wait for another day. I know I'm being impatient, but oh well. But it is, I think, coming out pretty well, and it's gonna look nice. So, Wight Potter fans, rudder repair continues.